Ever scroll through your feed and see amazing articles and posts but struggle to craft the perfect comment? You're not alone. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how to comment on LinkedIn. If you liked a post on LinkedIn and want to comment on that post, just click on the comment tab and then in the comment box type your comment. You can add emojis and images to your comment. And if you want to reply to any comment in that post, you can click on the reply button below that comment like this. And to write a perfect comment, you must first read the whole post or article thoroughly. And you can ask any questions to engage the author. You can provide value to that post by adding additional information or insights that might benefit the author and other readers. And just make sure to stay professional, because LinkedIn is a professional network, so you must ensure your comments remain respectful, constructive and relevant to the conversation. You must keep the comment concise, and lastly, you have to proofread your comment. A comment with typos or grammatical errors can detract from its message. So that's all you have to keep in mind while writing a perfect comment for a post on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.